How to use coins on AliExpress. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use coins on AliExpress. AliExpress is the popular online retail service based in China. This company is owned by Alibaba Group. Now if you want to use coins on AliExpress, you will need to follow the steps. First of all, open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type aliexpress.com. Once you enter this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of AliExpress. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, here first you will need to earn coins by participating in daily check-ins, playing games or completing tasks. For the daily check-ins, you can go to your profile at the top and from there click on this My Coins option. Once you do so, you will reach to a new page. From here you can collect your daily check-in. You just simply have to click on this collect button and then you will be able to earn your daily check-in. After doing that, return back to your home page. Now after collecting the coins, they will be stored in your account. You can apply these coupons or coins at the checkout to get discounts on your purchases. During the checkout process, you will need to select the coin or select the coupon you want to use from the available options and the discount will be applied to your total. Now from here, you can also click on this cart option right at the top and choose the product you would like to purchase. Once you have selected the product, here just below shipping fee you will find saved option. Click on this saved and then there you will find the discount or the coins has been successfully applied to your total. Now you can just click on this checkout option and follow the on-screen prompts. Also remember, coins and coupons often have expiration dates, so use them before they expire. So by following these steps, you will be able to use your coins on AliExpress. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.